I get this question 1,000 times. Brian, your approach suggests that all I need is one single page to sell my ebook, but what about giving away free content so that people have to opt in and I can collect their email and build a list of leads that I can sell to again and again? Well, here's my simple answer. You do not need a leads list. You should be treating all of your Facebook fans, your YouTube subscribers, your podcast listeners, your blog readers, your Instagram and Twitter followers as your leads list. People that end up following you online, which I'll show you how to get a ton of, is effectively your leads list. And number two, everyone that buys your initial product, whether it's an ebook or a course, is technically a lead for whatever product that you roll out next. And the good news is these leads open up every single email you send. They are 10 times more likely to buy from you again, making them far, far more valuable than a freebie-seeking email subscriber. Yes, you'll have a smaller group of these people when you focus on just getting customers instead of a big list of leads, but over the past few years, an email list has become less and less valuable. People's inboxes are flooded with emails, so on average, less than 10% of your leads will even see the emails that you're trying to send them. But when someone has bought from you before, your open rates can be 40 to 60% higher. Plus, your customers are the ones who follow you on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. They share your content and recommend it with friends. All that being said, there's a far, far bigger advantage to only going after customers and not worrying about building a big list of leads. And that benefit is your business becomes incredibly easy to run and grow. Trying to build a big list of leads that you monetize effectively takes a ton of time, a lot of technical knowledge, expensive software, and a lot of marketing experience. You need to know how to segment these leads, how to identify your best leads. You need to write multi-day follow-up sequences for every new free piece of content that you ask someone to opt in for, and the list goes on and on. It can be done, and I've done it 1,000 times, but looking back, I wish I hadn't started there, and I know you'll be far more successful and far less stressed if you avoid trying to build a big list of leads at the beginning. In the end, a list of 100 customers will out-earn a list of 1,000, 5,000, or even 10,000 leads every single day of the week. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, click like and subscribe to this channel so we can get this information into more people's hands. And if you haven't watched our free masterclass yet, click the link right down below this video. Inside of this free course, I reveal my 10-step system for building an online business from scratch without nothing but one single web page. Plus, I'll show you how thousands of other average entrepreneurs have used this simple approach to finally start making sales online without needing to set up a complicated marketing funnel, script a 3-hour webinar, or set up a massive e-commerce store. To get access to that training right now, just click the link right down below this video.